Wanyare weche mag ohala ni kaonti ma Siaya koro wacho ni gibiro tiyo machiegni kod piny mar Amerka e bero pur mar pamba. Gavana ma Siaya James Orengo ne owacho magi romo mane obedo godo gi jambetre mar piny Amerka e pacho ka miluongo ni Meg Whitman e apisi e log tich mar kaonti no endo. Chenro no mar bero pur mar pamba, Orengo ne omedo ni biro miyo jopur yuto mabet berberie. Whitman ne olimo Siaya kama bende limbe mare otere kar thieth ma matibabu mantiere Kwala e sub county ma Ugenya.
So you understand better?
I do understand.
We express our appreciation of what the American government is doing for us, particularly in the health sector. We have several programs and projects in the health sector dealing with HIV prevention, TB, cancer, and malaria. And over the years, we had this partnership going many years. We have also talked about where the American government can help us improve agricultural sector, value addition, and we identified key crops like cotton, where we can share ideas about new technologies in the agricultural sector.
We care a lot about what happens here. We're excited about the opening of the operating theater at the hospital that we're going to soon. And it's always great for me to be out in the counties. I like to say the truth is outside of headquarters. And so I try to get out as much as I can, and it's a great privilege to be here with you this morning.